Hi everyone and welcome back to DeversiFI. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to submit and vote on proposals on DeversiFI's governance mechanism. Before you get started, you'll need to ensure you have your wallet connected to your DeversiFI account. If you have already done this, navigate to the Governance tab at the top of the page. From here, you're able to see an overview of information such as your individual voting power, the big stuff like spending funds from the community treasury, making upgrades to the core DeversiFI smart contracts, minting additional tokens, and small stuff such as swap fee adjustments, transfer fee adjustments, liquidity mining, total rewards per week, and more. You're also able to see your DVF balance and your staked DVF balance, both in your wallet and on your DeversiFI account. To submit a proposal, you'll need to click on the big stuff. Please ensure that before you submit a proposal, you have already discussed your proposal in the discourse forum to gain feedback from other people and ensure that your proposal has the best chance of being passed. If you have already done this, click on step 2, take me to Snapshot. This should open up a new tab. From here, you're able to see 3 tabs. These are proposals that you can vote on, new proposals that you can make, and about information. To have a look at proposals that you can vote on, click on the Proposals tabs. Since no proposals have actually been submitted, we can't actually vote on anything at the moment, but soon you will have that opportunity. Now let's check out how we can make a proposal. Simply click New Proposal. From here, you're able to submit your question. Make sure you include your description. On the right, you'll see the different actions that you can change. There are lots of different types of votes that you can use for fun or to sense how people are feeling. But for a vote to be valid to execute a transaction, you need to choose single choice vote. After you have chosen what type of vote you would like to use, you then have to choose the start and end dates for your vote. Please note that there needs to be at least 7 days if making a transaction other than a simple spend of treasury funds, and at least 7 days if spending more than 50,000 DAI equivalent of tokens. And finally, 3 days for proposals spending less than 50,000 DAI equivalent. Once you have chosen the above actions, you need to include your choices below. If your proposal requires a transfer of funds from one address to another, you can also enter that information below. This should contain a payload that details exactly what the transaction should be. It could be transferring funds, changing DeversiFI smart contract parameters, or other major changes. Finally, after you've double checked everything, you will just need to click Publish. I won't be doing that in this video, as I want to make sure the whole community has voiced their opinion before I submit my proposal to a vote. Well, that's everything. Thank you once again for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you enjoy the freedom of a brand new governance mechanism. See you soon!